Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw a ghost from game Among Us. For this picture I need only two felt pens, sky blue and black. Firstly, I take my black marker and I start my drawing from the bottom left corner of the picture. This box will be bottom left corner. Skip 3 boxes up and color in 2 boxes up. Go diagonally to the right and mark this box. Now from this box go diagonally to the right and down and color in 3 boxes to the right. Go diagonally to the right and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right and down and color in 5 boxes to the right. Go diagonally to the right and up and color in 5 boxes to the right. Now go diagonally to the right and up and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right, color in 2 boxes up. Turn into the left and color in 2 boxes to the left. Go diagonally to the left and up and color in 8 boxes up. Here 1 box to the left. Go diagonally to the left and up and color in 10 boxes up. Turn into the left diagonally and color in 1 box. And from this box go diagonally to the left and color in 1 box here. From this 1 box go diagonally to the left and color in 7 boxes to the left. Now go diagonally to the left and down and color in 2 boxes down. Go diagonally to the left and color in all boxes to this box. Here should be 10 boxes. From this box turn it to the right and color in 4 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the right and down and color in 4 boxes down. And from this box turn it to the left and color in all these 5 boxes. Now I take sky blue felt pen, color in these 3 boxes vertically. Here 4 boxes. And 1 box here. Here 5 boxes vertically. Here mark 3 boxes up and drawing a line 1 box to the right, 3 boxes down, 2 boxes to the right, 1 box down, 1 box to the right, 1 box down, 2 boxes to the right, 4 boxes up and 1 box right and up. And color in all this part by sky blue. That's all, I finished my super easy drawing by boxes. It's very simple pixel art picture of ghost from game Among Us. If you liked my video, my idea, please give me your likes under the video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye!